Welcome student on my channel RN Singh. Today we are discuss some important question of pair of linear equation in two variable. Such types of question is very important, which is little bit difficult, but if you understand one time then you can solve very easily. So first example we take from the exercise 3.4 question number 2-4. Let's have a look. Meena went to a bank withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. So what we need to find is just simply how many notes of rupees 50 and 100. So let us consider rupees 50 notes is equal to X and rupees 100 notes are Y. Now we assign the equation which is very important to solve. So according to the first question, Meena went to bank, withdraw rupees 2000. So I can assign this condition further. First we understand second one. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and 100 notes only. So, and Meena got 25 notes in all. So what is the total number of the notes? That is the X number of 50 notes and number of 100 notes is equal to 25 notes. This is equation first. And second we need to build the second equation. How we form total rupees is 2000. Okay, so 50 rupees X notes plus 100 rupees Y notes and total money is 2000. So this is the second equation. We can solve the second equation or divide by 50 for simplification. So X plus 2Y, and when 2000 divided by 50 it comes 0 can say 5 4s are 40. So we can write this equation second. Now we solve by elimination method because elimination method is simple and in exam there is a no method is specific written to solve such types of word problems. So what we need to do, just use the elimination method. How we solve by the elimination method? Just assign the first equation with the second. So X plus Y is equal to 25. Now, what we need to do, if we add the both quantity becomes double or increases, so we are subtracting. What we subtracting? Subtract first from second. Okay, let's find out. Eliminate X, 2Y minus Y, that is Y, and 40 minus 25, that is 15. Okay, so simply we have 100 notes, 50 notes of 100. Now we put in the equation first. So X plus 15 is equal to 25. So X is equal to 25 minus 15. So X is equal to 10 notes. For checking our answer, let's put this value in second equation and just think and solve it and check it. Look at this. 15 notes, then 1500, and 10 notes, then 50. So 1500 plus 500 is 2000. So our question is right. So this is the way to solve question. Another question which is very important. Hello student, I am going somewhere. So let's continue another question. Place A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If the cars travel in the same direction at a different speed, means the both cars speeds are different. They meet in a 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of two cars? So we consider speeds of car. Speed of first car can use any u kilometer per hour. Speed of second car is equal to v kilometer per hour. So first of all, understand the situations. A and B are 100 kilometer apart. So this is the A and this is the B, and we are 100 kilometer apart. If the cars travel in the same direction means if A is also moving right and B is also moving right, so at a different speed they meet in 5 hours. Of course कि वो 5 hours में मिलेंगे, बीच में डिस्टेंस है 100 किलोमीटर. बट हाउ वन कार इज मीट टू अनदर कार, इट्स डिपेंड अपॉन द स्पीड, एंड इट इज मस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट द फर्स्ट स्पीड इज हायर देन बी obviously. So travel in the same direction at a different speed, they meet in a 5 hours. So how can we arrange? We know the formula of speed. Speed is equal to distance upon time. So how we can arrange it? So let's see. First is speed of first car. इसे हम A और B है, A और एक फर्स्ट स्पीड ऑफ फर्स्ट कार विच इज स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम ए, इसे हम ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं फ्रॉम ए और फ्रॉम बी. ठीक है, तो ऑब्वियसली u की स्पीड ज़्यादा होगी तो u माइनस वी इज इक्वल टू, दिस इज व्हाट स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. 100 किलोमीटर अपॉन हाउ मेनी टाइम टेक्स 5 hours. So first equation u minus v is equal to 20 kilometer per hour. Most of the students not understand why we take minus here, because total time taken 5 hours, and if this time comes here, so in a 5 hours how first car is just to another, it's depend upon the speed, and the first speed is more than second. Now second equation, if they travels towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of two cars? So in second condition the time is less than first condition. So how is it possible? If look at the condition, this is point A, this is point B, and opposite direction each other they meet where the travels towards each other. Opposite यानी opposite है और जो कि towards each other, एक दूसरे की तरफ करते हैं. तो ऑब्वियसली इन दोनों की स्पीड को जब हम जोड़ देंगे तो कम समय लगेगा और 100 किलोमीटर की दूरी को कम समय में तय कर ली जाएगी. ठीक है, दिस इज सेकंड इक्वेशन. ओके, नाउ वी सॉल्व इट बाय एनी मेथड, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड और एलिमिनेशन मेथड. देखिए, अगर आपको किसी और मेथड से भी जानना है तो यू कैन कमेंट इन अ कमेंट बॉक्स. लेट्स सॉल्व द इक्वेशन फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड. क्या करेंगे हम? ऐड करेंगे या सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे? ये पहले क्या होता है कि आप कोफिशिएंट को सेम करते हैं, यहाँ पे दोनों कोफिशिएंट सेम है, तो यू कैन ऑल्सो सब्सट्रैक्ट इट और ऐड इट. सो क्या करेंगे? ऐड इक्वेशन फर्स्ट एंड इक्वेशन सेकेंड. First of all, right here u v is equal to 20 kilometer per hour and u plus v is equal to 100 kilometer per hour. ये तो कोई बात नहीं है. ऑन एडिंग प्लस लगाएंगे, सो यू यू टू यू ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 120 किलोमीटर. सो u इज इक्वल टू 120 अपॉन 2, 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर. So first speed is 60 kilometer per hour, and put it in equation first. Put the value of u in first. So u is equal to 60 minus v is equal to 20. So what is 20? Obviously less आना चाहिए, तो v इधर चला के bring another side. 60 minus 20. That v is 40 kilometer per hour. So this is the way to solve such types of questions. So what we got in answer, u means the speed of a first a car, you can write na in a words, speed of a first car is 60 km per hour and speed of the second car is a 40 km per hour. Okay, let's do another question. Let's have a look of question number 3.2 of exercise 3.4. 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? So first of all, let us consider Nuri age is X and Sonu age is Y. 5 years ago. So I told you earlier in previous video what's happened for ago. Is subtracted. 5 years ago means 5 subtracted from the both ages. Look at this. Nuri age is this X, so X minus 5. Sonu age is Y minus 5. This is the current age of the Nuri or Sonu. So by which we have right now 5 years ago. Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. So this is Nuri, this is thrice of Sonu. Solve it. X minus 5 is equal to 3y minus 15. So x minus 3y minus 15. This minus 4 goes another side. It's become minus 10. So you can write like this first. And second condition, 10 years later. So this is the condition 5 years ago. And second condition is 10 years later. Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. So I think इस क्वेश्चन में कुछ है नहीं है. 10 years later, x plus 10 and y plus 10 twice of a Sonu. So x plus 10 2y plus 20. So x minus 2y is equal to 10. Okay. Equation second. So x minus 3y minus 10 is the first equation. This is the second equation. So solve it on subtracting फर्स्ट को सेकंड से घटा दीजिए या सेकंड को फर्स्ट से, बट ध्यान रखिए माइनस का. फर्स्ट फ्रॉम सेकंड. सो राइट सेकंड इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. x minus 2y is equal to 10. This is equation second. x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. This is equation first. Now subtract. X cancel x. So and whenever you subtract minus 2y minus, so it is plus, it minus minus plus, so minus 2y plus 3y, that is y, and 10 minus minus 10, so minus minus plus, and 10 20, so y is equal to 20 is the age of Sonu. And Nuri age is what? Put any in equation first. X minus 3 into 20 minus 10. So x is equal to minus x minus 60 is equal to minus 10. So x is equal to minus 10 plus 60. X is equal to 50. So we write it here. Nuri age is 50 years, Sonu age is 20 years. Let's start a new exercise in which we use a new method how we solve such types of question, because the question which is comes is a different. You cannot solve if you not know a reducible method. Let's start. So how can we solve such types of question? With the help of, we can solve with the help of equation reducible to pair of linear equation. two variable. If the equation is given in the form of where the variable is written in the reciprocal form. So what we need to do, we have choose a fresh variable p and q and m or n for solving it for simplification. So how we solve such equation? 7x minus 2y upon xy is equal to 5 and 8x plus 7y upon xy is equal to 50. तो जैसे हम एलसीएम लेते हैं, वो ये एलसीएम है पहले से, आपको उसका रिवर्स करना है. जरा देखते हैं. जैसे हमने इनका एलसीएम लिया तो एक्स वाई आया, तो अगर फिर x से x कैंसिल y आया यहाँ पर, तो जरा देखिए आप क्या करिए, x से x कैंसिल कीजिए, 7 अपॉन y एंड 2 अपॉन x. अब जरा देखिए एलसीएम एक्स वाई और y से y कैंसिल 7x and xy x cancel 2y. Okay, right here 5. Clear? Do the same here. 8 upon y plus 7 upon x is equal to 50. It is the reverse of LCM. So what we need to do, we have a fresh variable, we take a new one. So for 1 upon y is equal to m and 1 upon x is equal to m. Let us consider 1 upon y is equal to m and 1 upon x is equal to n. Put in this equation, equation first and equation second. So what's become, 7m minus 2n is equal to 5 and this is 8m plus 2n 7n is equal to 50. Now you can solve it. What we need to do, अब इसमें मल्टीप्लाई हमें करना होगा, बिकॉज द आवर वेरिएबल आर नॉट सेम. सो किसी एक का मल्टीप्लाई करके देखिए, 7 8 का करेंगे तो भी कर सकते हैं मगर बड़ा आएगा. ये यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं 2 और 7 का हम करते हैं. तो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में, इन इक्वेशन फर्स्ट multiply by 7 and second equation multiply by 2. Okay, let's do it. 7 7 is 49 m, 7 2 is 14 m and 7 5 is 35. Now multiply it from 2 here. 8 2 is 16 m and this is 14 m and 2 15 2 is 30. Now add this, because after adding plus minus term is cancel each other on adding. Okay, so 49 and 16 m is equal to 6 9 15 5 carry 1 4 1 5, this is 65 m and this is cancelled. Now add this 5 3 3 6, so both sides 65. So what is come, m is equal to 1. Now for second put any equation. इसे अच्छा यहाँ भी हमने फर्स्ट सेकंड मान रखा है, तो इसे थर्ड फोर्थ मान लीजिए. दिस इज थर्ड एंड दिस इज फोर्थ, और यहाँ पे हम कर सकते हैं मल्टीप्लाई इन इक्वेशन थर्ड एंड फोर्थ. ये है फोर्थ. सो m की वैल्यू हम यहाँ पर रखते हैं किसी एक इक्वेशन में, इक्वेशन फर्स्ट में, इक्वेशन थर्ड में. पुट इन इक्वेशन थर्ड, what come, 7 into 1 minus 2n is equal to 5, so 7 minus 2n is equal to 5. This 7 goes another side, 5 minus 7, so n is also minus 2 upon minus 2, n is also 1. So put the value here. So 1 upon y is equal to m, that is 1. 1 upon x is equal to n, that is 1. So y is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1. This is a simple figure questions. So the answer is come like this. if the question in a word problem, the answer is a different. And last question, just write word what is the type of word problem in such a category. Look at the question. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work, and also that time taken by 1 man alone to finish the work. So let's do it. Work done by a man is equal to X, and work done by woman is Y. अलॉन तो इनबिल्ट हो गया, अब इसमें अब डन है तो इसी एक वर्क को कंप्लीट करते हैं. तो देखिए, इसलिए दैट्स व्हाई इट इज अ इनवर्स. 2 वुमेन एंड 5 men कैन टुगेदर फिनिश एन एम्ब्रॉयडरी वर्क. तो इसे हम ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं कि वर्क डन बाय 1 man इसी फॉर वन वर्क. अब यहाँ पर एम्ब्रॉयडरी का वर्क हो रहा है तो 1/x हो जाएगा. तो वर्क डन बाय 1 woman फॉर 1 एम्ब्रॉयडरी वर्क, ये डायरेक्शन 1/y. सो नाउ अंडरस्टैंड द कंडीशन. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. So 5 men and 2 women. So work done by a man is x, so 5x, so multiply by the 5, plus work done by women. How many women? The 2. 2 work. ये 2 women कर रही है, एक man कर रहा है. कितना वर्क कर रहा है? 8. ठीक है. किसी भी कम वर्क अपॉन टाइम, जितना भी मतलब लग रहा है, तो ये हम टाइम यहाँ से भी मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं और यहाँ पे कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. कितना वर्क किया, यहाँ पे आप 4 से 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, और कितने दिन में किया, यानी इतने लोगों ने एक काम 4 दिन में किया. तो एक काम है, इस टाइम को यहाँ से यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड लगा दीजिए. सो दिस इज योर फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. नाउ लेट्स हैव अ लुक सेकंड कंडीशन. While 3 women and 6 men, so this is the work of man 1/x. 6 men हमने आगे पीछे कर दिया, कोई बात नहीं, इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. 3 women 1/y is equal to 3. ओके, इज इक्वल टू कितना वर्क है? एक ही वर्क है, जो कि कितने दिनों में किया जा रहा है? 1/3. दिस इज हाउ टू सॉल्व सच टाइप्स ऑफ इक्वेशंस बाय एज्यूमिंग अ न्यू वेरिएबल. So 1/x is equal to a and 1/y is equal to b. Put in equation first. So 5a plus 2b is equal to 1/4. And second, 6a plus 3b is equal to 1/3. इस इक्वेशन में समझ में आया कि नहीं? अब हम इस इक्वेशन को कैसे भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, पर सॉल्व करने में दिक्कतें आपको आएंगी. चलिए देखते हैं पहले कैसे करते हैं. हम किसी भी एक का वेरिएबल सेम कर दें. दिस इज अ न्यू इक्वेशन, थर्ड इक्वेशन एंड फोर्थ इक्वेशन. सो इन थर्ड इक्वेशन वी मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3 एंड फोर्थ इक्वेशन मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2. फॉर व्हाट? फॉर सेम द वेरिएबल ऑफ b. सो इसमें हमें 3 से मल्टीप्लाई 15 है प्लस 3 to 6b और 3/4. ओके, नाउ मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2. 12a 2 to 6b and 2/3. Now both 6b and 6b variable are same. On subtracting this new equation, 15 minus 12a, that is 3a, this is cancelled, and this is simply 3/4 minus 2/2. So you can easily solve fraction by taking LCM. 4 and 4 cancel, this 12 3 times, 3 3 is 9, 3 cancel this 12 4 times, 4 to the 8, so 1 upon 12, 3a. So a is equal to 1 upon this 3 goes another side, so divide में चला जाएगा. a is equal to 1 upon 36. So a is equal to 1 upon 36. Put it in any equation, then you got the value of b. So we can write here. इसको हम स्पेस कहाँ यहाँ देखते हैं, ठीक है. a की वैल्यू हमने पुट की किसी इक्वेशन में 6 इंटू 1 अपॉन 36 प्लस 3 इंटू बी हमें निकालना है 1 अपॉन 3. 6 1 अपॉन 6 प्लस 3b 1 upon 3. So 3b is equal to 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 6. 3b is equal to, take LCM, 6 3 is 18, 3 divide 6 and 6 divide 3, 6 minus 3 3 upon 18, and b is equal to into 3. This 3 cancel this 3, so b is equal to 1 upon 18. So what is a and b? A and b is a new variable 1 upon x and 1 upon work done by one man in a one work. तो man का है 1 upon x, ठीक है. तो आप क्या करेंगे, सिर्फ a और b को जहाँ माना था आपने क्या माना था लिखा नहीं है यहाँ पर, इसे ये लिखाइए a 1 upon x, b is equal to 1 upon y. तो a है 1 upon 36 is equal to 1 upon x. So x is equal to 36 days. Or similarly 1 upon y is equal to 1 upon 18. So y is equal to, cross multiply it, 18 days. Okay. So work done by a man x in 36 days and work done by a woman, that is 80 days. तो इसे हम लास्ट में हम लिख देते हैं वर्क डन बाय a lone man in 36 days and work done by a lone woman in 80 days. So this is the over of pair of linear equation, all exercise. If you want any questions for asking me, so you can comment, I will solve it. And in the next video we talking about a new chapter. Till then, thank you for watching, and if you like my video then like, comment and share. Thank you.